If you're experiencing a billing hold on TikTok, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Check payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Update payment information. If your payment method is outdated or incorrect, update it. Navigate to the payment settings in your account and enter the correct details, then save the changes. Step 3. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can help resolve temporary issues. Go to your device settings, find TikTok in the app list, and select the option to clear the cache. Step 4. Restart the app. Sometimes, simply restarting the app can fix glitches. Close TikTok completely and reopen it to see if the billing hold has been lifted. Step 5. Contact TikTok support. If the issue persists, reach out to TikTok support for assistance. Use the help section in the app to submit a request or report the problem directly. By following these steps, you should be able to remove any billing holds on your TikTok account quickly. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from customer support.